Hi guys, thank you for stopping by. You're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple methods of making a bishop collar. Trust me, they are simple. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. So guys, sit tight and enjoy. So for the first design of our bishop collar, I'll be using this fabric. So go ahead and create the neckline. I'll be using for the neck width, I'll be using 3.5 inches, and also the neck depth will be 3.5 inches. I just want a simple neckline, not so deep, so that the collar can sit very well. So just 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches for your neckline. Okay, so we'll cut it out. Then go ahead to the back pattern. So for the neckline also on the back pattern, I'll be using 1.5 inch for the neck depth, and already you know that the neck width will be the same thing with the front pattern. 1.5 inch by 3.5 inches for the back pattern. So I prefer that one too smaller, not so wide. Okay, so go ahead and join our fabrics together. So this is what we have, the front and back pattern. So after joining, it's going to look like this. You can see the necklines are not so deep, just up there. So for the next thing now, we're going to measure around your neckline from one edge to the other. You understand? So since I'll be putting zip behind, or wherever your opening is, just measure from one edge to the other. So the measurement I have, I'll come here, then fold these into two first, just as if I'm cutting a circular skirt, a circle skirt rather. So the fabric is going to be folded into four. You first fold into two, then you fold again, so we folded into four altogether. Then whatever the circumference is, the neck round, whatever it is, you divide it by 4. So assuming I have 26, okay, let's say I have 24, so I'm going to divide the 24 by 4 with your taper, and that will be 6 inches. So whatever you have, you measure it first, just like so. So remember, after joining your front and back pattern, whatever you have, you measure the neck round, then you divide it by 4. Okay, then whatever you have, you measure it here. Then you now decide how high you want the collar to be. Okay, so you can make it 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So I'll be using 1.5 inches for mine, then 1/2 inch for sewing allowance, and also over there I'm going to add another 1/2 inch because I'm going to join the collar to collar first before I attach it to the fabric. So make sure you include your sewing allowance. So this is what we have. They're simple as that. So you stitch that side first, and I've done that. Then you press it, then you attach the other edge to the fabric. So now I'm going to excuse me, I'm going to notch the midpoint of my center front, the middle of my center front, and also the collar, you're going to measure the midpoint too, so that it will be easy to attach the two together. For easy attachment, just notch. You can use your marker to just give a sign there. So you are going to attach the right side to right side. Excuse me. The right side of the collar piece and to the right side of the fabric, or to the bodice. So you pin it down first for easy stitching. Now also notch, since it's a curved part. So this is what I have after the whole thing. Okay, so this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please remember to give it a thumbs up. Okay, so please let's go ahead to the next method. I know you enjoyed that too. So for the second method of cutting this bishop collar, we're going to work with neckline also. So for this particular one, we need to be specific about the back neckline and also the front neckline. So I'll be starting with the back neckline. Measure whatever you have. So mine here, I have 4¼ so come to this, you can just draw a straight line first. So from the edge, I'll just measure the 4¼ on a straight line. Then, and you know this is going to be divided by 2, so I only measure a part of the back pattern. Okay, so and for the front pattern is only 1 piece, so I'll measure it round. Yes, I have 10 inches, so that 10 inches divided by 2, that will be 5. I hope you understand this logic. Okay, you know, for the back pattern, I only measure one side of the back, not the two, so that's why I have 4¼ and for the front. Okay, so now at the center back, I'll raise it by 1 inch. Just go up by 1 inch, then connect it to your actual where you measured your back pattern. So just raise that center back. Then I'm now going to put in the actual height of the collar, which is 1.5 now. So you extend it through the front piece also. So you connect it like so. So connect that part to the straight line, and the other curved part, yes, you can use your French curve or your curved ruler, just the way I'm doing here. Even the first curve, you can as well use your curved ruler, like I only use a straight ruler there. So this is what we have, just confirming that my measurements are right. Yeah, and the front pattern, and that is it. So the next thing now is just to add the, so make sure ahead that part is going to be on fold. The center front will be on fold because my opening is at the back. I'm putting zip at the back, and you're going to cut 2 pieces of this, 2 pieces of this. Then let's add our sewing allowance. Just ½ inch for sewing allowance. So this is it. I've attached it together just the way I did for the front part, which is right side to the right side, and this is what we have. So this is what we have after a good press. So if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Okay.